everyone.
Hello, let's learn English grammar. Topic questions. Let's learn questions. Meaning of question. A question asks someone something. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Let's see examples. Are you hungry? Do you want to go to the museum? Is this your bicycle? Who is that man on the road? What is your favorite color? Let's learn more. Do you like dolls? I drink milk in the morning. Is the pen hot? So, which is the correct one? The first one, but the question mark is not over there. So, there is a full stop. The third one is the correct one. The boy is walking on the road. This is not question. Is that a kingfisher? This is a question. Will you eat pizza tonight? Are they planning a trip? This is also a question. Please
Like,
like,
subscribe,
subscribe, and
and
share
share
Learning
Learning
Brightly.
Brightly.
Thank
Thank you.
you.